Hi everyone, today we're making cauliflower Manchurian. Let's get started. Heat oil in a pan, add chopped garlic, ginger, green chilies, onion and green pepper. Saute all the veggies and now pour in ketchup, chili sauce, soya sauce and chili vinegar. Mix everything well together. Now add salt and sugar as per your taste. Now we are preparing corn flour and water slurry and we will add them to the pan to thicken the gravy. Let's prepare crispy cauliflower. Cut cauliflower into small pieces, add white flour, corn flour, salt, chili sauce and little bit of water to marinate the cauliflower. Now deep fry the cauliflower until it turns golden brown and crispy. Now toss in the fried cauliflower and mix them well together. Serve your hot and crispy homemade cauliflower Manchurian.